Welcome to Midsomerrailway N-Scale. I'm your host, Greg, and thank you for joining me. Well, I haven't had much time to be in the train room this week, again, apart from not feeling flash, doctor's appointments, babysitting my two grandkids while my daughter goes out to work. So, this will be another short one and I apologise. So today, one of the cameras has failed. So what I'm going to do is replace it with this camera, except I'm going to move some around. These are the cameras I use. They're very thin and a bit inconspicuous. Now they're 1080p, 60 frames per second. And they plug into a DVR, so it's a digital video recorder. They plug into a digital video recorder or a security video recorder. From there, we go out via HDMI into the vision mixer. And I've shown you that in previous episodes. But they go into so each DVR goes into the vision mixer. We have 4 screens on each DVR. So we have 4 cameras on each DVR. And we have 4, 8, 12, we have 16 cameras that connect to the second vision mixer. So that's 4 DVRs. Then we have the one that I have my me on, and then I have another camera that is and they're both HDMI, and then I have probably another 2 video cameras that are all HDMI that I can plug into. The camera that was here has gone up the top, and this is the new one that I've replaced. So I've actually moved this camera back a bit for a wider view. So we've put a camera here, so I've moved lots of cameras around, and the one with the bigger telephoto lens has gone up. So that will give me the view across the top. And this camera has that top view, which is that view there. So while it didn't look very much, there's a fair bit of work in replacing the cameras because the cables are all behind and you have to make sure that you focus them and get them in the right spot. And unfortunately, that's all I had time for this week. So sorry it's a short one this week. Thank you to all the people who view. I do appreciate everyone who views. If you're not a subscriber, please think about it. It does help the channel. And give the thumbs up. It helps the channel to keep going. And all the subscribers and new subscribers, thank you so much for continuing support. So until next time, keep those model trains on the rails and bye for now.